If you feel like your life is falling apart, these 2 mindset shifts completely saved me, and I promise they can help you too. Mindset shift number 1 is believing anything is possible as long as you believe in yourself. Take that in one more time. Believing anything is possible as long as you believe in yourself. This one is something that I will preach through and through because it has helped me so much. There has been so many times on my healing journey in life, my personal growth journey, that no one believed in me. And I had to come through for myself and believe in myself. And that's what got me to where I am today. One story was when I owned my boutique. I bought a boutique trailer and literally everyone thought I was nuts. Trailers weren't a thing then. But I believed in myself and I was like, I'm going to show everyone that I can do this. And then the same thing with when I left my toxic marriage. I had to continuously believe in myself that not only I could do it for me, but for my daughter. So as long as you can trust your own self and believe in yourself, then I promise you, you will make it. And that is part of the way there. That is one mindset shift that has truly helped me, is no matter what, knowing I've got me. So know that you have yourself and always stand true to that. Always be there for yourself. Mindset shift number 2 that has tremendously helped me is small steps over overwhelming leaps. If you focus, for me at least, I know, and hopefully this helps others out there, but if you focus on the overwhelming leaps, the whole entire big picture, for me it overwhelms me so much to where I just completely shut down. I'm done for. But if you can focus on one single tiny step at a time and only focus on that step and also celebrate when you complete that small tiny step, girlfriend, that is where the big leaps will actually truly happen. The small steps are progress too, and that progress still freaking matters. So focus on these small tiny steps and not so much the big giant leaps, because those small tiny little steps will get you to that big leap that you're wanting to achieve. And you can't get there unless you do the small tiny steps. And progress is progress. So celebrate those small little steps. In my healing journey, mom life too, I've had to celebrate so many small wins that, and sometimes I'm celebrating them by myself, and that's okay too. Because you know what? You have to be your biggest cheerleader. So throughout my healing journey, there was times that I had to praise myself and I had to congratulate myself, give myself a pat on the back, and cheer myself on for going no contact, for example, for making it out of bed some days, or simply for just making it through the day. There are plenty of days that I promise you I celebrated simply that I made it through that day. And those days are going to come, but it is okay. As long as you can focus on the small tiny steps, I promise you'll get to the big leaps that you want to get to. I hope these 2 little micro habits, micro mindset shifts help you. I know they have been 2 of the biggest ones that have helped me, so I just wanted to share 2 quick ones. If you would like to see more videos like this, more mindset shifts, things that have helped me on my growth journey, my healing journey, any of that, comment down below. I would love to know, and I would love to share more with you guys. Also, make sure and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming healing, personal growth, self-improvement, resets, anything like that. And then go watch some of my other personal development videos, because they might be able to help you too along your journey. At least I hope they do. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.